Gentlemen, ready?
Yes, we are.
Request is here that your sound, your voice should be low. No? So try to. Okay, gentlemen, you ready?
Yes, we are.
No, you ready?
Yes, we are.
You ready?
Yes, we are.
Gentlemen, G, what was your planning?
My planning was to take money from my mother
Okay,
and it has been taken.
and it has been taken. What was gentleman's planning? His planning was to take money from his mother and
It has been
it has been taken or it has been given. It has been received. Clear?
Yes, it is.
Clear?
Yes, it is.
Ji, gentlemen.
My planning was to attend the college in time,
My planning was to attend the college on time
and it has been it has been attended
and it has been attended.
on time.
It has been attended according to the planning, according to the schedule. Very good. And it has been attended
On time.
on time. Ji.
My planning was to collect money from my father and it has been collected easily.
And it has been collected easily. Sorry, you're telling a lie. I didn't give you money, no?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Oh, my planning was 5 rupees. Jane.
My planning was to go to watch Disney Channel and I
No.
it has been watched.
It has been watched. Correct, ji, gentlemen.
My planning was to surf the internet, but I hasn't been surfing.
But it hasn't been.
surfed
Okay.
because of load shedding.
Very good. My planning was to surf the internet, but it hasn't been surfed due to load shedding. Ji, Mr. Fayyaz. Any idea?
My planning was go to hospital.
Very good. My planning was to go to the hospital or to visit the hospital. To visit the hospital for checkup. Ji. And it has been done. And it has been done. Very good. Or my checkup has been done. Ji.
My planning was to drive a car.
Okay.
It has been.
Sir, ji, loudly please.
My planning was to drive a car.
Okay.
It has been drive.
It has been driven.
It has been driven.
My planning was to drive the car. And it has been driven. Ji.
My planning was to purchase something from market.
My planning was to purchase something from the market. Okay.
From market.
Ji.
And it has been
Purchased. And it has been purchased. Ji.
My planning was talking with my friend
My planning was to talk. My planning was to talk with my friend. Ji.
and it has been done.
And it has been done. Very good. Is it possible to change it in some other way? It has been done. And he has been talked with. And he has been talked with. Keep in mind. And he has been talked with. Or it has been done. Ji.
My planning was to call my friends,
Okay, my planning was to call my friend. Ji.
and I have called.
No. And he has been called. And he has been called. Understood? The planning was now to call your friend. Our format is different today, no? And he has been called. And the call has been made. Ji.
My planning
You
was
didn't write it, that's why I can't explain it.
to observe fast
Okay?
and it has been observed.
Very good. And it has been observed. Means the fast has been observed. Ji.
My planning was to visit the Marco Polo and
It has been very good. My planning was to visit the Marco Polo and it has been. No, I think it's a good relationship has been established.
It's his favorite place.
No, yes, his favorite place. Ji, the first round is over now. Your first sentence is over. The toughest lesson, keep in mind. Ji, sentence number 2.
My planning was to inform my friends about results.
Okay, what was his planning?
his planning was to inform
Results.
his friends about results.
Very good. His planning was to inform his friend about his result. Point is clear? To inform his friend about his result. To inform his friend about his results. Ji.
He has been informed.
Very good. And he has been informed. Mean His friend has been informed. Or it has been informed means the result has been informed. Point is clear?
Yes.
The result has been told. And the result has been told. He has been informed. The result has been told, etc. Clear, gentlemen? Ji.
My planning was to make a schedule for lecture test.
Very good. What was his planning? To make a schedule for his lectureship test. Ji.
And it has been scheduled.
And it has been scheduled. It has been
Scheduled.
drafted. It has been designed. It has been planned. Very good. Ji,
My
gentlemen.
planning was to revise the lesson
Okay.
and it has been revised.
Very good. My planning was to revise a lesson and it has been revised. Excellent.
My
Ji.
planning was to offer Juma
Take
prayer.
chair and sit over there.
My planning was to offer Juma prayer and it has been offered.
Very good. My planning was to offer Jummah prayer and Alhamdulillah it has been offered. In the mosque I wanted to offer in. Ji.
My planning was to create a new sentence.
My planning was to create or to coin a new sentence. Ji.
And it has been done.
It has been done. It has been created. It has been framed. It has been coined. Clear? To coin a sentence, to frame a sentence, so and so. To make a sentence. Hey gentlemen. Second planning. No.
My planning was just the cloth.
My planning was to press my clothes. My planning was to press my clothes. Ji.
It has been pressed.
And these have been pressed. Or you can say my dress. It has been pressed. Correct. My planning was to press my cloth, my dress. My dress. And it has been pressed. Correct. Ji.
My planning was to visit Lahore in next week.
My planning was to visit Lahore next week. Correct.
It has been
Sir Ji, your planning was to visit Lahore next week. Last week, sir.
Blabbering.
My planning was to visit. Is it called blabbering? No. My planning was to visit Lahore last week, or yesterday, or on last Sunday. Ji. And
it has been visited.
it has been visited. Correct. Ji.
My planning was to visit.
You are tired? So let me know honestly. You are tired? Correct. Ji.
My planning was to visit my university,
Okay.
and I hasn't been visited. It hasn't.
Very good.
but-
It hasn't been visited yet. It hasn't been visited yet. It means you will visit it later on. Ji.
My planning was visit the university.
So where did you write those 5 sentences?
Prepare the cloth.
Okay. Prepare. What do you mean by prepare clothes? What do you mean by that? Prepare. To press or सकता है? To press. To press. Your planning was to press your clothes. Ji. Wearing, no? To wear. Ji. Hurry up. Don't waste time. Actually, you don't follow sometimes the format. It creates problem. I did it and hasn't, no? You have to tell that you've done it.
Mr. Said is in some confusion.
Oh, actually, he's having some problem. Ji, gentlemen,
My planning was to meet Mr. Asif,
your planning was to meet Mr. Asif, okay?
but he had gone to Lahore. But he hasn't.
जाने अल्लाह जलन क्यों बढ़ाए जाने सैने नु साड़ने वाली some better please stick to the point. That is correct. That you can. My planning was to meet him, but I couldn't do it. But I didn't do it. No, and but our format is different today. Ji.
My planning was to go to the graveyard to offer the Fajr prayer of
Okay.
the brother, and it has been offered.
Excellent. My planning was to visit the graveyard to offer the funeral prayer, and it has been offered. Excellent. It has been offered. Ji. My planning was to help whom? Help my mother, my father. To help my family members by Okay.
and I helped them.
No, that is formal different. They have been helped. My planning was to help my family members by fetching different things from the market. And two options are there. And these things have been fetched. And the things have been fetched, purchased, brought, etc. And they have been helped. These gentlemen.
My planning was to attend see attentively
My planning was to see attentively. Ji?
and it has been attended.
And very good. And it has been attended. And it has been attended. Very good.
My planning was to make a call to my friend to ask for a book, and it has been made.
And it has been made. Excellent.
My
Ji?
planning was to take watch and it has been taken.
My planning was just you have to take gentlemen. You will go to high end?
Yes.
High end. Is it possible to drop? Oh, but block number 4. Block number 4. With no near no that style that. Thank you. Ji, my planning was to take a bath and
It has been taken.
it has been taken. Very good. Nauna the na liya. Thoda the kha liya. Kona the pa liya. Clear? Ji.
My planning was to offer us prayer and it has been offered.
Very good. My planning was to offer us prayer in block number 1. And it has been offered. Planning है कि एक ब्लॉग नमाज ही पढ़नी है सभी उसे मिलना होना इज़ार लसन साहब and it has been offered उत्थे पढ़ ली मुकम्मल हो गई सही धन्यवाद जी
In childhood, my planning was to become a doctor.
हाँ in the childhood no this was my dream because his dream no his planning his aim of life was to become a doctor जी
But I hasn't.
but
But it
very good
But
but
it
it hasn't been
succeeded.
succeeded or it hasn't been no
So you get hurt.
this is
Conflict.
that is cycle जो है ना you have to park and cross yesterday no you will park yesterday this is my request now this should be in a proper way इसका littering sir क्या हुआ
नहीं पहले पंप लगी
there is something wrong side okay just complete it now the gentleman my planning was to visit the market okay it has been visited clear market है तो program आज market okay it has been visited very good.
My planning was to watch movie.
My planning was to watch a movie and
It has been watched.
it has been
Watched.
watched. It has been watched. जी.
My planning was to repair
Okay.
the water motor.
Okay.
It has been repaired.
It has been repaired. जी.
My planning,
One more round is there with a different
Yes.
idea.
my planning was shopping in the market
Okay.
and it has been completed.
It has been completed. It has been done. Your planning was to go for a shopping, no? And it has been done. It has been completed. जी.
My planning was to get some shirts
Okay.
and it has been done.
These shirts, some shirts, and these have been
Done.
done. These have been got. These have been purchased. These have been bought. जी gentlemen.
My planning was to visit Indonesia and it
Indonesia, very good. Indonesia, not Indonesia. Very good. Indonesia. The proper word is Indonesia. Proper word is that Asia, not Asia. Asia. Proper word is Russia, not Russia. Proper word is Russian, not Russian. Gentlemen, clear? Correct. The next format here. Yeah. He has been met. Gentlemen, the last round is with slight change. You ready?
Yeah.
You would say, I wanted to. And it will remain the same. I wanted. For example, I wanted I wanted to offer Maghrib prayer in congregation and it has been offered. Please, I wanted to attend the class and it has been attended. I wanted to enjoy the beautiful, this pleasant weather over here and it has been enjoyed. Point is clear, no? Clear or not? Yes, gentlemen.
I wanted to point my mother
Okay?
and she has been pointed.
Very good. I know that massage, he wanted to give a massage, etc. No? Game.
I wanted to play a game and it has been played.
I wanted to play games or game and it has been played. Very good.
I wanted to practice English and it has been
Practice. I wanted to practice English, spoken English, and it has been practiced. Very good.
I wanted to understand my new lesson
Okay.
and
It has
it
been
has been done.
It has been done. It has been understood. Very good. I wanted to anything. No, I wanted to anything. I wanted to take tea, and it has been taken. I wanted to drink water. It has been drunk. I wanted to complete my work. It has been completed. Clear? I wanted to purchase new clothes, and these have been purchased. I wanted to write the story, and it has been written. I wanted to polish my shoes, and these have been
polished.
polished. Understood?
Yes.
Understood or not? I wanted to purchase a new mobile, and it has been purchased. G.
I wanted to surf net.
The internet,
It has been surfed.
and it has been served. G.
I wanted to purchase something from the market.
Okay.
And these have been purchased.
And these have been.
Purchased.
These have been purchased. Very good. I wanted to comb my hair, and it has been combed. I wanted to shave my beard, and it has been shaved. I wanted to oil my mustaches. And these have been oiled. Please, I wanted to help my younger brother, and he has been helped.
I
I wanted to break the rules, and these have been broken. I wanted to contribute for Pakistan, and it has been contributed. I wanted to give something to my friend, and it has been given. Something, no, something. It's going to rain.